The Elite Gourmet 2-quart stainless steel oval slow cooker is the perfect size for cooking small meals for 1 or 2 people. It's also great for preparing snacks for parties or movie night, or to just reheat food while you do other chores. This mini crock pot features a tempered glass lid with a cool touch knob. The main cooking vessel is a 2-quart ceramic pot that is great for serving and is dishwasher safe or hand washable. The main heating unit is made up of stainless steel. It features a power indicator light. Settings include low for cooking foods with low liquid density. On this setting you can cook 4 to 6 hours. The high setting is for foods with higher liquid content. It's also for meats, beans, or grains, and you can cook up to 4 hours on this setting. The keep warm setting is pretty self-explanatory. The cord is 24 inches long and can be used with an extension cord with a compatible rating of 120 watts. All in all, I was really happy with the way this came packaged, and I can't wait to get a chance to use it. At first I thought there was a little something on the lid, but it was just a little bit of fuzz. Cleaned off really well. This little crock pot is going to make a great addition to my kitchen,